Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Katarzyna and today we will create this super easy pocket card. You can have this card as a pocket card, so you have actually one layer, or you can use the same design and adhere it on the top of 7 by 7 inches card. As always, you can find all the dimensions and links in the description below. Let's get started. This card is super easy. We start with the base. This is 7 by 7 inches piece of white card, just a piece square. And then you need a slightly smaller piece of paper collection. Again, you can find all the measurements on my blog post. The link is in the description below. And before we adhere this panel to the card base, I will ink the edges using Memento Grape Jelly, and then I will use decorative pocket accent dye, and using this larger element I will cut out the slot. So actually you need to cut out the finish element. In my case it will be this element. I ink it gently using grape jelly. And then I need to decide, and if it's a problem for you, you can always add the final elements to see full composition. In my case, I will add this beautiful frame from Majestic Swirl Frames die. This is 2020 release, and it will be just here. So let me check. I think just about here will be actually perfect. So I can take the elements and I will line it up as straight as possible. I will secure it with tape and I will run it through my die cutting machine. Okay, so the pocket looks like this, and now I can adhere it to the card base. So basically I will add the glue all around, and here you can add on this back of the stripe. So I will use the glue. This is dry clear glue with metal tip. You can also use over glue of your choice, but I will recommend to use the wet glue to adhere the packet, because a wet glue will secure this piece of paper collection really well. So now I can just press gently and we have the packet. Okay, so as I mentioned, I die cut using the same decorative pocket accent die this shape from paper collection, and I ink it using Memento Grape Jelly. And now I can apply the glue and adhere it to the card base. Okay, so it's look like this. You have pocket here, and now I can adhere the panel. Okay, so it's look like this. And now I have my hyacinth. Again, you can find the tutorial for this flower on my blog, and I will adhere it to the base using 3D foam. Actually, I think I use 2 layers. Okay, so this is the card, and now we can assemble the panels. So the panels, basically this is A2 size, American size panels from the collection. You have vertical or horizontal. I have horizontal one, and we will check actually if we fit 2 of them in the packet. So this is A2 panel, and I add the slightly larger piece of white card. So I just ink the edges using the Grape Jelly Memento. Okay. And I will adhere it here. Okay, so it looks like this. Let me check. This is the one. I think we can fit 2 of them. So I will ink the edges. Okay. And now I can adhere it to the card, white card as well. Okay, so this is the second packet. Okay, so now what I need to do, I will punch the hole in these both panels. So this is how my panels look. I actually decided to use the lace, so I created the bow. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. Just like that. Okay, so as a final step, I will apply the gems. So this is my card for today. Super easy, really. You can add tags on the front if you want. You can also adhere the photos on the tags, so it will be a great surprise. Beautiful and simple card for birthday, thank you card for Mother's Day also. This hyacinth is a beautiful focal point of this card. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find my classes and tutorials on my blog post page. It's called Classes and Kids, I think. And also you can find a link on to my blog in the description below with more photos, videos, and full list of materials I used to create this card. Till the next time, bye!